Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to transfer money from Clickbank to bank account. You can do it instantly if you follow these steps. For this, first log into your Clickbank, then click on your profile in the top right corner, then select payment information or payout preferences. If you haven't already set up your bank account details under payment method, Clickbank supports direct deposit (ACH) in many countries and wire transfers for international users. If instant withdrawal isn't available via Clickbank's direct option, you can link a Payoneer account, withdraw from Clickbank to Payoneer, and then use Payoneer's instantly transfer features to your bank. Some users may have an express payment option. Check if Clickbank offers this under payout preferences. If your balance meets the minimum threshold, you can request a withdrawal. Standard processing times are for direct deposit 1 to 2 business days, for wire transfers 3 to 5 business days, and check payments 1 to 2 weeks. And that's it. That's how you can instantly transfer money from Clickbank to your bank account.